When we get to Sutra 338, Patanjali talks about how the mind is a storehouse of information. And this information is very distinct to each individual. So when we look at how our minds process information, our minds process and store information purely on our experiences. From the time we are born till the time we die, we have an experience of life that is very unique and separate from any other experience of life. And one of the biggest mistakes we make as human beings is believing that this experience is the same for everybody, and that everybody should be seeing, hearing, and feeling things the same way, when there are billions of people on this planet and each one of them experiences things very unique and in its own way and own manner. So when we start to analyze these things, we have to see that we see these as individuals, but this is part of a whole. So why we are actually experiencing these things as individuals, we are also experiencing these things as the entire group of humanity. So as we see things happening here, somebody else is seeing the same thing in a different way, from a different perspective on the other side of the planet. So there's always this both individual and collective experience that is going on, but we need to realize that our vision is not the same as any other vision, and that we need to have tolerance and understanding for the fact that we are all going through the same thing in a different way. Hopefully this helps. Namaste.